Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Vishal Varia, leader of GG Ahmedabad, and today we are yet back with yet another interesting session on creating comics with Gemini AI. And today we have a mentor with us from Indonesia, Bandung, Dedi Effendi. Dedi Effendi is from Gemini Academy, and he has been teaching tutors how to create comics using Gemini AI. So, Dedi, can you just introduce yourself? I'll just unpresent my screen. You are on mute, lady.
Okay. Yes. Is it clear now, doctor?
Yes, yes, yes. Audible. So, just a brief introduction about yourself, lady, and then we can start with this session.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. It's very nice to see everyone in here. My name is Dedi Effendi. I'm from Indonesia, city of Bandung. I'm a teacher also, like everyone else in here. I'm teaching biology in senior high school, Darut Tauhid boarding school. So if anyone have a chance to go to Indonesia and slightly specifically go to Bandung, please see me there. And I'm very honored to be invited by Dr. Vishal. Thank you very much, Doctor, for the invitation. It's a warm welcome from everyone in here, especially from India. And in this session, I will go to share my experience how to create a comic with AI. Yeah, as we know, if we want to create a comic, it's not a simple thing. It's not just one way to go, one day, one week. No, it's very much likely by 2 month, 3 month from beginning creating a storybook, and coloring, designing until the publishing, and it's very long way to go. So what I'm offering to everyone in here is a simple technique to create a comic with AI. And we don't hope it's perfect, but maybe it will help us, a teacher, to increasing our student literation by alternatively creating comics from our teaching material. Nah, okay, I will starting with sharing my screen. Am I allowed, Doctor?
Yes, please. Yes, please. Please share your screen.
Okay. All of the resource, this presentation, the link, and all of the resource will be shared by Doctor uh, in this session. Okay, I'm sorry if it's not usual for everyone to see a presentation like this because I want to make it more live, like in comics. Okay, this is Unleash Your Creative Aura, Mastering Gemini and Flow. Yeah, so we will using two AI from Google. The first thing is Gemini, and the second will be Flow. Everyone in here maybe often hear about Gemini and have experience to use Gemini, but maybe Flow it's brand new to us. So we will dive in to Gemini and Flow first before we starting to create the comic. Okay, everyone, this is our collection, comic collection. So if we click this arrow sign, okay, this is our collection from our experience in Indonesia to creating comic. This is not only my creation, my comic creation. It's a collection of everyone. I have trained, especially teacher. I have trained to creating comic also. Okay. Now, for example, this is the English section. Every comic is here in here. Majority is in Indonesia because I'm create for my student, but it's still have a section for English. Now, this is the comic for English from this checkpoint Nusa until this Prince and Princess of Labam. The forbidden is I'm creating this comic uh, to understand what is the folklore story of India. So I found it in uh, in the internet. So I try to create the comic like this. It's very much likely by AI, not by graphical design manually. So can you see the character? The text is very neat. It's very resemble with the comic we used to read. Nah, okay, this is the character. As you can see from this page 1 and next to page 2, the character is still the same. Yeah, and this is a problem for AI to create an image resemble to the image of before because AI is still have a hallucination bias. But if we do the technique what I will demonstrate, we will get the resemble the character still consistent like this. Okay. Nah, as you can see, it's in India's clothes, and this is the king. Okay, this is the antagonist. Uh, the antagonist, and as you can see this the panel. Okay, and the story is very flow. It's not only creating uh 10 pages, 15 pages, but we can make the story more length depending on our story title. Okay, now this is the story like this. So everyone, if you want to look at the website I'm creating, please go to our website in here. And another example, like like in here. Nah, in this comic, it's very likely realistic. Yeah, it's very realistic. Why? Because AI can make an art style, many art style that it's booming in the art style in the world. Yeah, I'm using an anime semi-realistic like this. So as you can see in here, wow, the image is so live, different from the comic before. It's still in anime, but uh, the color and the character it's still in simple way. But in this art style, semi-realistic anime, we can see the sea like this. Whoa, whoa. It's very nice and beauty, like a realistic water. Nah, okay, the agency. This is about the real story of Yusra Mardini that he is the survivor from the refugee in Syria, but become a hero because he is struggling push the boat, yeah, in the middle of the Aegean Sea to the shore of Greek, and the story is very viral. Yeah, she's became a hero. Nah, so every story in here have a character, a consistent character. The flow of the story is very nice, and brand new from me. It's we can make a mini encyclopedia like this. Nah, yeah, this is a mini encyclopedia because in comic people maybe just watching the image and watch the text, but maybe they lack of ability to absorb what is the factual, the science fact in here. So we can make this directly in comics. which we will create it. This is a mini encyclopedia, and as you can see, this is the QR code that have been integrated with augmented reality. Augmented reality is something 3D model that we can brought to the real world. Yeah, yeah. Let's demonstrate it in the last minutes. Okay, this is the second one.
A moment, Teddy.
Yes.
Yeah. So just to recollect that when new members have joined, so as you can see, what Teddy is demonstrating basically his collection of comics that he has created for his students. Okay. Now the basic thing comes here is that it's not easy for an AI to continue generating the same set of images, right? So the same with one single prompt, okay, whatever image that is generated, okay, it is not easy for the AI to generate the same set of images for all the pages of the story. So this is basically what we're going to learn, how to generate a story, how to create a prompt, okay, how to generate characters. So just as in a movie, there is a script, there's a story, then there are characters. One is a hero, one is a villain, one is a side hero, and there is a heroine. Just as we have characters, similarly, as a movie set, we will be having to create that kind of a script. We will have to imagine the characters, we'll have to create the characters, and then page by page we have to give the prompts to generate the story. So it's a step-by-step tutorial, and we'll try to justify the same. For this, there are two tools that we are going to use. One is Gemini Gems, and other is Flow. So Dedi is going to continue with the presentation and with the introduction of both the tools, and then we'll be going with a practical demonstration of how to create a story. Over to you, Dedi.
Thank you, Doctor. Let's continue. To achieve the ultimate comic workflow, a creator must master both the mind is Gemini to create comic prompt, and the flow is for creating the image. Yeah. For the Gemini Gems, I will provide it directly, so everyone in here don't have to create manually. I have created the gem. Everyone can use it freely. The gem is for a logic memory workflow command to create the comic, and the input is system blueprint and long-term data. And for the Google Flow, it's for visual generation and absolute consistency. There's a technique for doing that. So this video will explain how to create that. Okay. Okay, let's summoning our mentor. It's our custom mentor. It's Gemini AI. It's a highly customized AI entity tailored to perform specific tests and adopt strict roles. Yeah, as Dr. Vishal said before, we have to create the storyboard, have to create the character, how the story flow, and it's very easy to create with our custom gem from Gemini. And this is the flow. This is the workflow to create the comics. The first is to access the Gemini gem, and let's give him the identity to create the name of identity, the gem of is IICG. I create that as AI comic generator, and the core, the memory, and the spelling match. Yeah, this is just the workflow I want to create so everyone can have fun with it. Okay, let's see the anatomy of the brain instruction blueprint. This is what Gemini will do. He will give you a role. Who are you? Yeah. The gem is the persona who will create the comic. A limitation. What is forbidden? Now, because a Gemini is an AI, so it will be limit knowledge. It depends to us to give him an instruction. If we want to create the comic for education only in biology, he will just focusing on that. Yeah. So that will be correlate with objective. What must you achieve? Yeah. And the communication style, it's the language we can customize in Indonesia, in English, in Arabic, even in Hindi. Yes, let's experiment with that. Now, this is the Gemini. Okay, and how we can access that. Okay, as you see, the gem, it's in the sidebar, the right sidebar. Below the notebook, the gem, and the chat. Now, in here, if we go to the gem and click new gem, just click the name in the gem. We can rename that later and give him an instruction. Okay, the gem is something we want to use if we give an AI a continuous comment, and it's always the same comment. In this side, in comics, we will create a continuous comment to create a page 1, page 2 until the end, and the cover of the comic pages. So it's very suitable if we use Gem to create the comic beside the chat, yeah, beside the original chat. Nah, okay, let's start with experiment with the gem. This is how we will create the gem for the for example, plan a 5-day honeymoon trip to Bali, focusing on relaxation and culture. Yeah. Nah, in this technique, we have to give the gem role. Nah, the role is a reliable travel planner. The output is daily itinerary cost, and the rule is provide unique adventure activities. And the result is boom, perfect itinerary. Yeah, the AI will give us a perfect sequential what plan we have to do in the first day until the last day. This is the example for that. I have created the video also. Okay. Now, this is the new gem from Gemini. Okay. Now, this is the example. Just give the gem an example like this, travel buddy, and give an instruction. You are a reliable and enthusiastic travel planner. Yeah, copy that to the instruction. We can give the exam an additional information too, but we don't have to if the comment is very simple. After that, go give the gem an instruction from the chat. Nah, we have to save that first, and the gem is ready to use. So we want organizing our travel. So this is the prompt at a 5-day honeymoon in Bali. Yeah, according to the instruction that we have given to our gem travel buddy. And it will be automatically answer our question according to our this is the answer. Google Map. It's
Yeah.
I don't and hope it will give us the Google Maps, but in this gem he give us what kind of the place that specifically we want to travel. It's suggesting us. Okay, this is the gem, and it's bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah. sure.
Then, Derek, can you just zoom up, like, can just present this slideshow so that it can be more visible?
Oh, okay. Let's enlarge this. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So if we want to as Gem travel buddy again, we want to travel to India in 5 days. We can use this gem also. We want to travel to another country, we can use this gem also. Yeah, and it will creating the same answer every time we want to give the comment. Okay, that's what the gems like. Okay, the chapter 2 is awakening the manifester. It's the flow. Flow is one of the AI which Google have, and it's in the labs Google FX. and it's still experimental and it's still being updated every second. Yeah, I see many change in Google ecosystem. Nah, in this flow, we have to make something adjustment. Like the first thing is account. Yeah, we have to using a Gmail account because I'm using my educational account such as Belajar ID or anyone else in here have educational account also. It will not give us an allowance to enter the flow. Yeah. And in its yet sequence, open a new project workspace. This is the blank canvas where your Gemini prompt cards will be executed. Okay, when you see this download icon, this is the icon that contain a link, yeah, to the flow, to the every resource I have provided in here. So if we click this link, it will directly go to flow website. Nah, this is the flow website. I'm sorry, doctor, is my screen
Yes,
display the flow? Okay.
yes, it's visible.
Nah, okay, in the first display, it will not create the login account for us. So please create with flow in this button, in this transparent button. Now in here, in this case, I have logged in automatically. But for everyone in here who never using flow before, it will ask us a floating menu and two checkbox. Please check the two box. It's our agreement to using this flow and scroll down until it's stuck in the below the floating menu and just click the accept or yes button and it will entering us to the flow such as what I'm displaying in the screen like this. Now, this is my project I have created. Now, after that, if you want to create image in Flow, just click this button, new project. After that, it will direct us to the empty space like this, and our workspace is in here. This is our prompt, and this is the plus sign is for reference. And in here we can see the setting. The setting for flow is for image and video. Okay, in this case, we using a Gmail account. We using original account. So it will not making video according to our own, yeah, because Google have limited the credits. Even my pro account is in 1000 AKI credits can can make more video than 50 videos, yeah. It will be limited. So we don't want to create the video. We will creating the image only. In this section, we can see the dimension. It's in landscape, 16 divided by 9, 4 divided by 3, 1.1 is a rectangle, and the portrait dimension. In here, we can see the times 1, times 2, times 3. It means we can creating image one time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Yeah, we just want to create the image one time. Yeah, and it's in 0 credit, so we can make the image unlimited. Yeah, but unlimited is not a good word. Yeah, because AI is have a limitation and it's exhausted if we give this AI much from. Yeah, so I have created about 40, 50 page and it's not limited by Google. Okay, let's go. Nah, okay, this is the demonstration to create that. Okay, this is the lab Google FX. Sign in with Google. And if something trouble when we go to Flow and it's not displaying like what I'm seeing like this, because Flow can access only by people who have an age upper from 18. Yeah, below 18 it will be limited. As my student yesterday want to create comic, they go to Flow, and it not giving access, yeah, because my student is below 18. Okay, still the same. Okay, let's go.
And I
Yeah.
think that one will have to sign for Google Labs. Then only it will be available to them.
Yeah, that's
It
right.
will, so,
Labs.
Google Flow will be available only on individual accounts. It will not be available on education accounts. Okay,
Yep.
and to enable Google Flow, you have to sign into their Google Labs. It's an agreement between an individual account to and Google, that because they are trying. Labs is a trial project, so it's yet in the making. So you have to sign for that project so that you'll be able to, work with Flow.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Just log into the Google Labs. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Let's make something magical in here. Yeah, let's create the magic in here to create the image. Okay, the final battle. Let's go to demonstration. This is the download button. You can click this, and it will give a sample of prompt that I have provided before. Yeah. So in that prompt, step one, paste the detailed prompt code, set the aspect 16 divided by 9 in landscape. Why we have to create that in that dimension? We want to create the reference character in a full case image character. So AI will see what character we will display in the comics. But after that, we change the dimension to portrait 9 divided by 16 or 4 divided by 3. Okay, click this button and it will directing to my um, my uh, chat with Google before, with Gemini before. Okay, this is uh, the conversation. Okay, the conversation is not finished because it's just a sample. Click go to Gemini. Nah, okay, click go to Gemini and find something like this uh, AIXG, yeah, version 8, 18. Okay, like this. Okay.
This is basically, there is comic gem.
Yeah.
We will be sharing this comic gem with all the participants along with the follow-up email, so that you can also see later on, study that how the codes or the prompts are being supplied to Gemini and how the story has been created. We'll be creating a sample story right away, but this will be shared with you in the follow-up email.
Yeah. Okay, this is the sample of our prompt. Now, can you see this the role play, the panel, the dialogue? It will give us automatically, created us automatically, so we don't have to make it from beginning until the end. Yeah. In my case, I'm creating one comic in about 1 hour, and uh, it's not always 1 hour. Yeah, it may be 3 or 4, depending on how we have to edit it, the comic, because maybe the text will be displaying something we don't want to display, or is typo. Now we can fix that. Yeah, in Canva. I will give you that. I will give a tutorial for that. Nah, this is the character reference log. The first thing we have to make, yeah, is the character. Let's copy this code. We don't have to select like this. No, no. It's in the copy code mode. Yeah, it's very simple for us. And we choose the 16 divided by 9 dimension. So it will creating the character reference first. Okay. After that, we will displaying the comic cover. Yeah, this is the comic cover. So we want to see what is the story about. Yeah, The story may be in educational, such as photosynthesis, or maybe circulatory system, digestive system. We want to create that in a simple way. Okay. It's depend on how fast network uh, what we have. Now, this is the first character we have. Okay. And the second, let's create the cover. This is also copy code. Also, we don't have to select it manually. Just copy this code. And the second is the first thing you have to do is give this character reference first. Yeah, don't paste the code. Don't paste the code before we enter this reference character. After that, change the dimension, not 16 divided by 9 in landscape, but in the portrait dimension, because comic is something portrait that usually can been published or printed. After we change the dimension, paste that, and just wait until the image has been created. Okay. Yeah, let's skip this and continue our presentation. After that, let's see if this work or not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is the method that I'm using, so the character will be consistent in every page. We have to create the character reference log. Okay. Oh, this is the step I have show you before, but it's in the video mode. So let's skip that. Okay. So the Gemini Jam and the Google Flow, it's infinite tools we can use to create a comic with highly consistency image reference. Okay. Now let's go to our practical guide to creating visual magic in our classroom. Okay, it's totally free, and I'm sharing this to anyone who wants to learn about comic, because I'm seeing in my class reading an endless wall of text. It's like this, yeah. They have to, they don't have any motivation. Text retention is 30%, but when we change that to visual retention, it's more than 50% that they absorb, yeah, like in this visual. Okay, and the vision for my myself is, I want every teacher become a comic creator, yeah, because transform complex material like cell biology or photosynthesis is very abstract. We can't see it in the real world, but with comics book, they can absorb what cellular would like, yeah, what is mitochondria, what is nucleus. The AI will create it for us and bring epic history and global legends back to life, yeah, as I'm trying to create it, the Prince Labam, yeah, it's in Indian folklore, and it's very beautiful story, but in the comic it will give us visual more engaging, uh, and it's an evolution of learning design. So in past time, we created comic manually in Canva. It's slow and exhausting, because we have to drag and drop. The character is very limited. Even the character is provided just default by default in Canva. But with new way in this Gemini and Flow, it's done in a second. Yeah. Speed of light, yeah, maybe. And the characters is infinite in variation. Okay, let's choose our weapon. The first one is Gemini and the second is Flow. Let's focus on the Gemini. Okay, this is the level 1, Initiate Gemini Game Mode. Okay, this is the download button. The resource for my AI comic generator version 8 for English language is in here. Please click this link and it will directing to our gem. This is a gem, yeah. Now, AIXG version 8 English created by me. Everyone can using it. I'm not selling it. And for anyone who using it, please don't commercial it. Please don't selling it to anyone. It's totally free. Everyone can, especially teacher can use it. Okay. Now, in this step, we just say hello to our gem, and it will ask us to enter the password to access AI comic generator. I will share the password. It's AI edu comic. Yeah, the password. Please save this password uh, later. Yeah. So AI edu comic is the password. Anyone in here who join with me have an access for this. Yeah. If you don't enter the password, it will fail and won't allow you to to go to the next step. Okay. The first step is choose our genre. Is it adventure, action, fantasy, or history? Yeah, or others? Yeah, you can just pick your own story. Let's create an adventure story, but it's educational story. Okay, don't type the adventure. Just type one. Yeah, it's in numbering, numbering that we can choose directly. We don't have to type that. Okay, the story is adventure and the art style. This is a medley anime style from 1 until 21. Yeah. So please go freely, experiment with every art style you have. Okay. Now, for sixth grade, sixth grade or elementary student, the suitable style is Chibi, Moe, Ghibli, Painterly. So it will be safe to our student to create the comic because some character maybe, yeah, I found that the female character is not properly using a proper cloth, yeah, a neatly coat, yeah. They uh, using a jumpsuit, and we don't want our student see that, yeah. So please
Yeah. So,
use.
Very
Yep.
sorry for interrupting. Yeah. So how did this all code came into this gem? So you just mentioned hi and everything of this code automatically came to this gem. How did the character formats and the character descriptions? How did it came to the gem?
Oh, the character is automatically created by the gem. Yeah, it's not by us manually. It will be long way if we create the character manually. If we choose the chibi or the moe or the kawaii shonen art style, it will create the character according to our story. Okay. Let's. I want to pick the shonen style because I'm teaching senior high school. I want my student have their own character as a teenager. It's
So
medley shonen style.
yeah,
Okay.
so I would like to just interrupt. So teachers, if we just observe the screen here, what Daddy is actually demonstrating. So he has already developed a gem where you can start creating your comic. So he has given certain options. It's a pre-written script. So you have to just select from the options available there, and after the selections, your characters, your story, the cover page will be automatically getting created. Yes, yes, yes. There is a hand raise. Sabir, do you have a query? You have raised your hand. Sabir, am I giving the right pronunciation? Is it Sabir? Okay, never mind. Continue, please.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Let's continue. Anyone? If something not work with according to our instruction, please let me know. Okay, this is the section for creating the title. Now, I want to create a title because I'm teaching biology. I want to create a circulatory system. Yeah, create a story about
Circulatory system, yes.
circulatory system for student in grade 11. Yeah. Okay. And grade 11. And if we have detail about what we want to describe in that comic, just type it in here. Explain about anatomy, physiology. It's just a example. Everyone can make a different title with me. It's explain about anatomy, physiology, and disease, which correlated, yeah, with the system. Okay, let's just give this AI randomly title for our story. Okay, let's submit it, and the AI will think about what the story will be. Nah, this is the story plot, and the title will be Hearthound, the Great Crimson Race. Okay, as we can see, the background is the Corpus City. Oh, it's Corpus callosum, yeah, in biology, and it's very sweet with my material, red blood cell, and critical oxygen, great lung forest. So wow, it's very correlated. We can see it's the hook for the story, the conflict, the climax, and the meaningful ending. And the character it will be provided also in the gem. So we don't have to think about how many character we want, or what is his name, what kind of the shape of the character. Yeah, it will be created by AI. But if we want to create the character according to us, the name is from us, we can do it also. Yeah, for example, like this, 5 characters from different region. Yeah, from different region, from Indonesia, India, America, uh, Japan. Okay, 5 characters from different region. Yeah, we want to just randomly want to create the character and the story. Yeah, the story. If yeah, we want to create the story, it is short, medium, or detail. Yeah, it will created as different answer. So and different detail of the page. Yeah. So if we want to, for example, let's story length in medium. Yeah. Let's pick the story length in medium. After we change the character in different region, give us uh, it will give us a different name, yeah, in region. Nah, like this, Arjun is India, Sarah is America, Kenji Japan, Dr. Valentina is Brazil. So just freely give this AI, customize AI. So if anyone in here uh, have have a friend, yeah, in your office, and we want to take our name friend in our name friends to our comic, it's very related, yeah. Okay, this is our the prompt character, and this is the uh, the cover comic professional prompt. Okay, in this step, this is the same step that we have created before. Nah, okay, this is the cover comic that we have created before in the example to demonstrate the flow. Okay. Now let's use that technique to created this comic also. Okay. Have everyone in here have login to the flow? Anyone have trouble to log into flow? Okay. If there's any, let's continue. Click this new project like before, and before we copy the prompt for character, adjust this setting. It's in image. The dimension is 16 by 9 divided by 9. Just one time created the comics, and Nano Banana don't change this to pro or imagine. Yeah, just default in Nano Banana. Yeah, Nano Banana 2. Yeah. After this setting is finished, go to Gemini, copy the code, and click this because we don't have a character, yeah. We created the first character, yeah. We don't have to click this plus sign, yeah. Just enter that to our flow, and the adjustment, make sure it's in landscape mode with the dimension 16 divided by 9. So the character will be full cast horizontally. AI will see it clearly. How many characters that we have, we want to create. Okay, it's 80%, and it's depend on how traffic, how our network traffic. If the traffic is low, it will be long to create it. But if the internet is well, nah, oh, okay. This is the character that we have. It's Banyu is from Indonesia, Arjun is from India, Sarah from USA, Kenji from Japan, and Dr. Valentina. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's just a random character. But as you can see, the AI is very clever to customize the character according to their ability. Okay, let's go to the second prompt. It's the cover. Yeah. Okay, this is the cover. Also, like before, just copy the code. Don't select it manually. It's very easy to copy code directly. Now, before we paste the code, click this plus sign and add this character as a reference for creating the cover comic and the page. And the nano banana also we have to adjust not in 16 divided by 9, but 3 divided by 4 dimension. It's in portrait. But if you want in 9 divided by 16, it will create a long way page, yeah. So I'm suggesting just use 3 divided by 4 dimension in portrait. Okay, after this, now in here you can change the cover comic title, such as here, and the AI illustrator don't use my name. Yeah, this is the default. Is my name. You can change the name. Yeah. May I borrow your name, Dr. Visual?
Yes, go ahead.
So
There'll be a story in my name.
yeah, I want to make an example that everything in the prompt is customizable. Yeah, even the dialogue. Yeah, the dialogue we can change it too if it doesn't suitable with the knowledge we have. Yeah, because AI is not perfect. Yeah, the AI is not perfect. It need human touch to make it live. Yeah. Okay. Let's skip this, and after this, okay, after we creating the cover comics, we have to create the page one. Now in this step, just please type next, yeah. Just type next like this. You don't have to type generate page one, generate page two. No. It's very simply we doing it like this. Okay, we choose story like in medium. So it will be in 20 or 30 pages. Now in here we are given one of 25. So the flow of the workflow of the comic, it will be creating 25 pages like this. Yeah, this is the format for the page. This is the layout panel, because comic is consists of a panel. It will be 4 or 5 panels, and the dialogue. Now this is the dialogue. Use English language. Yeah, make sure use English language, because if not in English language, it will be in another language. In default, maybe in Indonesian language. Yeah, because I'm the creator. Okay, and the dialogue. Nah, the dialogue it's in English. Okay, let's see if the cover comic have been created. Wow. Yeah. Okay. This is the cover comic like this. Every character in here have a task, yeah, such as blood cell, and this is the antagonist, the monster. Maybe it's a lipid, but we don't know what is kind of monster before we created the story of the comics. Yeah, but everyone in here maybe see the character in here, the comic cover like in here, and the art illustrator has been changed to Dr. Vishal, not me. Yeah. Okay, let's send this first page comic to our flow. Okay, just copy this code and go to our flow like before. Don't paste directly to the chat. Uh, please choose the character reference first. Yeah, this is crucial, a crucial step because someone maybe forgot to enter this character reference, so the comic will creating a different character, and we don't want that. Yeah, and the Gemini and the flow setting also, it will not change. Yeah, it will not change according to our last step because our last step is in portrait dimension 3 divided by 4. It won't change. It won't change a bit. So just paste the prompt and see the magic is going. Okay, let's create the. Okay, I'm sorry, my. Okay, sound is my sound clear?
Yes, yes. Yes, Reddy.
Hello. Okay.
I think Reddy has got some mic issue. So just in the meantime, while Reddy resumes back, so I would just like to simplify this thing, like for creating stories with Gemini AI. Okay, the plot will be created using Gemini. Okay, and you can use gems to create stories, different stories, and you can continue with the same gem if you want to continue the story. Okay, so that's part one. Part two is to create the plot and the characters for the story. Okay, that will be using Google Flow.
Yeah.
Okay, so for that you will have to define what kind of characters you would wish to have. Now, so this has to be a creation of your mind. This is a creativity. AI will only be assisting you in implementing your creativity. So you have a story, which is with the help of AI. You are creating a story, which is with the help of Gemini, gems, and another way you're creating a pictorial presentation using Google Flow. Okay, so whatever prompts are getting generated using Gemini AI, you have to copy and paste in Google Flow, and the final comic will be created using Google Flow. This is the sum and total of it. Okay, now to make the task easy, okay, Daddy is sharing his gem with us, that I will be sharing with you in the follow-up email, along with the recording of this session, along with the feedback form link. So in the meantime, so I think Daddy is back. So we will now learn that how this entire comic is compiled, okay, and how we can use it as a comic. Over to you, Daddy.
Okay. I'm sorry, it's a technical issue in here. My USB
No issues, no issues. Yeah.
it's not working. And okay.
So
And my
so
camera also, doctor. Oh my. Okay. May I turn off my camera, doctor? I'm scared.
yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue, teacher. Okay. We can see the first page has been created. Okay, this is the Corpus City, the lifeblood of existence. Wow, and Banyu is a red blood cell that deliver the oxygen. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's a very good metaphor to our students to know that a red blood cell is carrying oxygen, and it will not visualize successfully visualize beside the comic we will created. Okay, and after creating the page one, yeah, like this, we have to create the page two, same like before. Just type next or type continue or anything we want to next or can continue. Now this is the second page. like this. Okay, the dialogue is still in English. Just copy code and like before, go to flow, choose the character reference first, and type and paste that. Just send that to flow. Okay, okay. So can we create image continuously? Because if we wait this flow to finish, it will be maybe about 1 minute, 2 minutes. Nah, yeah, we can create the image as the flow create the image also. So if we want to create image 3, 4, and so on in the same time, we can do it also. But be careful because I have talked before, the AI have a limitation token. Yeah, it will be exhausted if we give the AI too many comment for that. Yeah, so please use the AI and give him a time as we human have to rest before we doing something different.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we have to
the,
give the AI a chance to rest before, yeah, before we continue with the second comment. Okay, let's see the page 2. Okay, as you see, the character is still the same, yeah, not differ from the beginning. Yeah. Okay, maybe someone want to ask why we have to create the image in Flow, why not create it in Gemini? Yeah, Gemini is also, I can created image also. The answer is, if we using Gmail account, the original account, the Gemini will limited only 5 image every day, 5 image every day, and it's not too happy for us to creating the image, yeah, in there. So
yeah.
the
So
alternative creating,
that a moment.
yeah.
So you see, a very important tip is given by Reddy that see Gemini. See, all this you have to do it using your individual Gmail ID, not an education Gmail ID. Okay, Google Flow will not cope with your education Gmail ID. It's not yet finalized. It's not compiled the product yet to be furnished to education institutes. So it's in the trial mode right now. And if you are opted for Google Labs, then only you'll be able to access the flow. So the thing is that you have to use your personal Gmail ID. Okay. Now, when you use a personal Gmail ID, there is a caption limit to which you can use to create images using Google Flow. So what Derry just mentioned here, that in a single day you can create 5 such images. So maybe probably if you're creating 5 pages today, then maybe your credits are exhausted because one single page contains so much of images, one single page contains so much of text, the comment boxes and everything. So the image credit gets exhausted and you may have to wait for another day for the account to be recredited with some credits. So once it is recredited, you can have another set of 5 pages on that day. So it may not be so easy because you have to buy the credits. If you're going for a pro version, maybe you might be having some more credits with you. But initially, it is limited to 5 pages a day for Google Flow. Am I right, Diddy?
Yes, doctor. So we using Flow because, yeah, Gemini is not too generous for us to create the image, but maybe if we want to if even we have even if we have the pro account, I have a pro account, yeah, and it's still limited, only 15 or maybe 20 image, and after that it will be resetting in the 4 hours later, yeah. So yeah, Gemini yeah, limited the image generation in its AI. Okay, is my time have has finished?
Yeah.
Doctor?
So we have 1 or 2 more minutes. Um, do we have anything further to share? How do we compile this into one comic, Debbie? So you got 5 pages today, okay? So I think 5 pages or 3 pages you have already created today. How do we compile into one comic? So we download all
Ah,
these pages separately and then compile it as a PDF. How do we do it?
Okay, to compile the comic, we using Canva, not Photoshop, not CorelDRAW, uh, the software that maybe by a paid version. We using the Canva for education. Nah, like this, I'm using Canva to create it to compile the comic in one place. Okay, how we doing?
Yeah.
Just click this create and pick the document a portrait, and after that we go back to flow. Let's copy the first page is the cover comic like this, the third dot in here, copy that and go to our Canva, paste directly on that Canva. Okay, and it's not finished because if we adjust the size of the dimension, it's not suit for the A4 document. So we have to adjust it like this. Yeah, right click in Canva and go to info in this menu, in this below menu, click info. After that, go to this icon, which is details. Then see the dimension. The dimension is 896 times 1200 pixel. Okay, let's resize. Let's resize this A4 A4 to our custom size 899 times 100 one 1200 896 times to 1200 pixel. Nah, like this. Resize this design. Okay. Okay, after this, uh, let's see if the page is correctly sweet. Okay, it's very nice. And create the next page like this, 2, 3, 4, and copy the first page like this, the second page like this. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Brilliant.
Yeah. And so on. Yeah. You can compile that in one place. Even if we want to edit the text, if we want to edit the image, we can do it also in Canva. And doctor, maybe it will be long way to go, much more time to explain that. I'm sorry, maybe
No, that's fine. That's fine.
yeah,
That's completely fine, Eddie.
yeah,
So, yeah, I think it's okay to conclude this session. And before I, share any other information to you, I would be sharing a feedback link form where you can fill in your feedback and fetch your attendance certificate. Okay. So, first and foremost things, Derry, thank you very much for your expertise and your knowledge. What I understood from a session is that it's not creating story, creating comics using Gemini. It's a 3-step process, not a 2-step process.
yeah, yeah,
Two-step process is for creating. That's you have to create the plot using Gemini AI.
yes,
Second thing, you have to then use Google Flow to create the characters or pictorial representation of the comic. Okay, once that is done, so the Gemini will create plots like page 1, page 2, page 3, next, next, next. It will create the pages. Okay, you start creating those pages in Google Flow, and to compile into one storybook, you have to make use of Canva, paste all those pages into Canva, and make it as one document. So this is 3-step process of creating a storybook. Okay.
yeah, that's
So
right.
thank you. So yeah, so thank you everyone for joining today's session. I'm very much thankful to Dedi for sharing his expertise with us. And this is something very much new today we have learned. Like we can make use of Gemini to create stories, and the stories are nothing more than subjective things. Okay. So as you have seen, Dedi had created a story for a circulatory system. Okay, so being a science teacher, he wanted to share with students an interesting way of learning the circulatory system, and what that is, how can one be more creative than creating a comic hook for creating this, making them understand the circulatory system. So this is how we have to, create stories for our subjects, for our subject topics. So creativity lies here in your brain. AI is only to assist you. Okay, so it's what you can think, that there are different possibilities as a teacher you can creating. I'm really impressed with the skills of Dedi. Like, he is thinking so much for his students that he is able to give creative comic books for them to understand the topics, right? So once again, I would repeat, 3-step process. Make use of Gemini, particularly Gemini Gems, to create the story plot. Make use of Google Flow to create the pictorial representation of the story, and make use of Canva to compile the entire pictures into one booklet. Okay, the 3-step process. And to make this process very simple to you, okay, so I will be sharing a follow-up email to all registered candidates, maybe probably tomorrow or later today in the evening, once my recording gets compiled. Okay, the follow-up email will be containing the recording of the session, the link to feedback form, and the link to the slide deck that Dedi was using in to make us understand, as well as the link to the Google Gemini Gem. Okay, that Dedi has created for educators. Okay, now this is something very, very, very important. He is sharing his gem, okay, with us, so that we can create storybooks for our children. And believe me, it is open. Okay, it is for sharing purpose. It is not for commercial purpose. I really appreciate the grandeur of Dedi to share with us, all the educators. Okay, so all those links, even I will share the link of the comic site that he has created for the students. Okay, the contributions. So we can all be creating the storybooks with his gem. Okay, and then gem will be then compiled into one particular website what Dedi is already creating it. So this is for about today's session. Okay, and I was seeing a raised hand by someone called Farhan. Any other questions for today? All right, great. So thank you very much, Dedi, for spending your valuable time and expertise.
Hello.
Yes, Hanuman sir.
I will rather say that this was a creative blast for me because I have never tried with this comic strips. And for English teacher, I did it simultaneously. I created about literary devices. So characters were
Brilliant.
also coming, and 25 slides I did. Daddy, hats off to you. So you and Vishal sir
Brilliant.
is
Yes.
simplifying it more, and then see, it was not very difficult language, simplified, medium paced, and I don't have words now, but it was
Great.
something like that. This can be of 2 hours, and simultaneously it can be created. So thank you, great, thank you, Daddy and Vishal sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for the acknowledgement, and we really appreciate your seamless efforts to work out along with us. So yeah, so we'll be concluding our session today here. We'll be coming up with more such interesting sessions in the future. So stay connected with GJ Ahmedabad. We'll be again asking Dedi to connect with us in another such creative session with more details, more complexities of this. This was just the basic thing that we understood from Dedi, how to create these things. And there is get more to learn how to use AI for such creativity. So thank you everyone for joining us today and spending available time with us. And just wait for the follow-up email, and you will be getting all those queries sorted with your follow-up email, right? So I'm ending up the session here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dedi.
everyone. Have a nice creating comics.
Yes.
Sir, how to connect Dedi if I have any problem?
So I will be sharing the email ID on the follow-up email.
Because I'm a Hindi teacher and I'm just little bit confused ke how to do in Hindi.
हिंदी के लिए आप Dedi को help नहीं कर सकते. Dedi will help only for technology, not for Hindi. Hindi we will sort it out here. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
All right.